Hey guys, today in this video we're going to be talking about how you can use live activities right on your Apple Watch with the help of watchOS 11. So as you might know, we've already been using live activities on our iPhone. With watchOS 11, Apple is bringing live activities to the Apple Watch in a smart way. That's because the watch will mirror the iPhone's live activities. And this process will happen automatically whenever there's a live activity going on your phone that will be paired to the Apple Watch. So let's see how to use the live activities on our Apple Watch with watchOS 11. So right now we have our iPhone and our Apple Watch, and our iPhone is paired with this Apple Watch. So on this Apple Watch, if I just swipe up, here you'll see the smart stacks with all of the widgets right here. You can also access the smart stack by rotating the digital crown. However, with watchOS 11, the system automatically shows you the smart stack with live activity at the top whenever there is a new status update. So for demonstration purpose, let me give you an example of the Uber app as I'm about to book a cab to go to the airport. So if I just tap on the Uber app, and I've already added my location, so just tap on Uber Go, choose Uber Go, confirm your location, and if I just scroll up, and I can see my live activity in the notification center. And here if I tap on my Apple Watch, and if I just again scroll up to go to the smart stack, and here you can see automatically it started showing me the live activity and it's updating in real time, which is pretty amazing. So as you saw, as soon as the live activity started in the iPhone, and we got real time update in the Apple Watch as well, right at the smart stack with the live activity coming right up automatically. So that was all about live activities in watchOS 11 and how you can see them and also how you can use them in the watch with pretty much ease. So if you've reached here and found this video helpful, then definitely hit a like, share it with your friends and family, and of course don't forget to subscribe to iGeeksblog. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying your life.